Hello, guys, welcome to my new vlog. This is Sanjana from the beautiful city of Brussels. And आज हम जाने वाले हैं Knock, which is in the coastal area of Brussels, which has the beach stretch and everything that we need for a perfect summer vacation. We have planned for so long कि हम लोग जाएंगे. So basically, Belgium में you have many beaches. The whole stretch that connects to one side is France, the other is Netherlands. And if you know Dunkirk, then you know it well because अगर आप उसी beach stretch में चलते जाओ towards the France side, you will reach Dunkirk, which is one of the famous beaches, in the World War history. So yeah. The whole of Europe is going through a very severe heat wave. अभी भी मुझे orange warning आ चुका है फ़ोन में. So basically it's gonna be like Gujarat, Rajasthan out here, the peak summer, and that doesn't happen, but global warming is real. So yeah. And anyway, तो हम लोग decide किए we are gonna go. So we had to take the train. यहाँ पे you can go to either Midi, which is very close by, and then there's Central. But we chose Central as we were meeting up with Anisha and the gang. And हम लोग ने ट्रेन का टिकट पहले ही बुक कर लिया था, which was the plus point. And the best part is that आप पूरे दिन का you can book just one ticket, and आपका ऐसा है कि आप कभी भी जा सकते हो and then कभी भी आ सकते हो. हर 1 घंटे में ट्रेन चलता है. And the best thing was weekends may the train prices go down 40%. So basically Saturday Sunday prices hota hai 40% less Monday to Friday se. So yeah, which was really nice, like the European perks. And it is very easy to travel with your pets. Agar small dogs hai, no money at all. And if you have a big dog, then maybe €3 per dog, that's all. So हम लोगों ने मिशी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं पे किया. We got the train. हम लोग स्टेशन पहुंच गए in a metro. And Mishi was there. You can see the video like starting में जो दिखाया. And then we walked through Knock, which was a beautiful city. I don't know, it's a town, city, whatever, but it was different from Brussels. So chote chote, log have their bungalows, the ghar, the yard, the swimming pools that I saw from the train. The view was amazing. You can see the alpacas and the farms and all. So it was beautiful. So ये beach इतना बड़ा है. So we sat down for our breakfast because हम लोग सुबह सुबह गए थे, and we carried our breakfast and lunch with us, which was very nice because it was like a picnic that we were supposed to do. So हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा breakfast किया, and we started walking towards Heath Strand or something it is called. I'll tell you why. Belgium में everyone has pets. So basically your dogs can go to the beach, right? But क्योंकि ये peak summer है, so the crowd goes there, and for hygiene purpose what they do is they select a point from where your dogs can be leash free, like completely. So यहाँ पे जहाँ पे beach clubs है, so you have a big crowd there. Anyway your dog will be uncomfortable. So वहाँ पे you can keep your dog near the beach bars, but they cannot go on the beach. And then you keep walking, there's a kids beach, and then the next part that starts is called Heath Strand. It is called Heath Zoot Strand or something like that, and wahan se your dogs can be leash free till the Dutch border. And I wanted Mishi to enjoy this part, look at her enjoying the beach for the first time in her life. So imagine this is something that is very important for me being a pet parent. So इसीलिए हम लोग वॉक करने लगे, and we got a place where we set up our stuff, and then we went to enjoy the water. It was nice, the weather was perfect, so this was really nice for us. And just for info, normal place maybe, normal beach maybe dogs are allowed, but it is from October to March. आप कभी भी ला सकते हो अपने dogs को, no problem, whole day free for dogs. And then अभी के time में peak summer में from October to March, dogs are allowed in that particular beach area from like morning before 10 and evening after 8. So these are the rules that they follow because depending on the crowd, kids आते हैं, इतना crowd था, I mean crazy. यहाँ पे इसीलिए जो dog beach है, यहाँ पे there were many dogs and there were many people too, but the beach area, the beach clubs, so that was completely crowded. वहाँ पे ऐसे भी हम लोग भी चाहते ना, तो हम लोग को भी बहुत कम space मिलता to enjoy the water, I mean. So yeah, this was perfect spot for us. And I was so completely in love with how people were, coming and choosing some sort of water sports. यहाँ पे ऊपर में there's the shop where you get everything, and then they were going in the water doing whatever they want to do, paragliding, surfing, and so much more, and without a life jacket. So these people are so trained, they're like professionals in their you know sport, and that was amazing because मैं ये सब देखती थी and I used to think like how difficult it is to do, but they were enjoying and I was in love with this scene that I was sitting and watching. So yeah, it was amazing. So हम लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया. We sat down, we had lunch, we went to the water twice. I collected shells. पीछे ही you have like common washrooms and all, so that you can freshen up, you can change your clothes and all. So we did everything and we were exhausted. और हम लोगों ने सोचा कि now let's go and get the train. And as I said, यहाँ पे हर 1 घंटे में train चलता है till 10:45. So आप कभी भी जाओ. And also this is known as Miami. I mean, Belgium ka Miami, so you get to see a lot of sports cars, vintage cars, and the expensive stuff that was there, and it was crazy. Now, let me give you, this is the train, how beautiful the trains are out here, how comfortable ye टू टायर है. सो ऊपर में बैठे थे हम लोग एंड लुक एट द ट्रेन. ओ माई गॉड, इट वाज सो नाइस, so pretty. I mean, I was in love with the train itself. बाकी तो छोड़ ही दो. And we were so exhausted because एक तो summer, ऊपर से we walked, we had fun on the beach and so much more. So अभी time था to go back, and we sat on the train and we were waiting for it to go so that we can reach home and sleep. मैं पूरा completely, बालू से भर के थी, so I needed to take a shower. And we were exhausted, yes, but फिर भी we enjoyed so much that, वो high spirits था. And we got to see so much train journey में, because ये train ब्रसल से छोड़ता है, then you go to Ghent, then Bruges, and then you go to Knock. तो आज बहुत ही मज़ा आया. We were all happy, we were all exhausted. Mishi was happy, which was very important for us. So हम लोग बस ये ट्रेन का व्यू एंजॉय कर रहे थे and we got back home. तो आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले व्लॉग में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.